Welcome to the November 24 paper 2 question 22 walkthrough. Remember, this is a question talked about how to teach answered exam question. It's not teaching you underlying concepts of this. It's expected you know that, and it's just like you should be thinking, why have I not got my marks? What should I be doing? Okay, right. So it's the last question on the paper, so it should be challenging. Right, so let's have a look at it. So you've had a go at it. Now, when you think about it, it says the probability of getting two counters the same. So you could get a red, then a red, or a yellow, then a yellow. So we're not interested in the other branches. Now, what I'm going to say is and there's lots of ways of doing this, I'm going to say there are 5n in the bag. So if there are 5n in the bag, the probability of getting a red at the first point is 3n out of 5n. And for the yellow, 2n out of 5n. Now, if I take one out of the bag, that becomes 3n minus 1, and there's now one less in the bag. Same idea with the yellow. Now, so we know the probability of getting a red is 3n over 5n times by 3n minus 1 over 5n minus 1. Just going to make this bigger now. And the probability of getting a yellow is 2n over 5n times by 2n minus 1 over 5n minus 1. So that equals 2 over 5 because the n's cancel. Well, n divided by n gives me 1. And so that's 3. N divided by n gives me 1. So we know if we add those two together, they equal the fraction of the question, which was 41 over 80. Right. So, just showing you the working. I don't think I need to talk you through this. This is going to become a linear equation. Can divide 3 by 5 from that to that. There's no need to talk you through any of that because you should just know that. Yellow is 2n, so that is 2 times 13, which is 26. Right. Now, let's have a go at the we do question. So pause that, have a go. Or maybe you just want to talk it through with me talking. Right. Me talking through it. What was the first thing I did? Yeah, I drew a tree. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. How many balls did I say there were in there? I said 7. I said 5n, so you should have 7n. What's the probability of getting a red then? First pick, a yellow. If I take one out, what's the probability of getting a red again? You do the yellow. So let's write our using that. Let's make it bigger now. I'm just going to write 59 out of 119, so I don't have to redo the screen. Right. What's the probability of getting a red? Cancel if you want to. What's the probability of getting yellow? So what do we do with those two probabilities? We add them and say that they are equal to that. Right. Tidy it up and manipulate it however you want to. There is a cleverer way of doing that, but I'm not going to show you that. Got n equals 5. So now what do I do at n equals 5? There are 3n's, so it's 3 times 5, which is 15. Sorry. Brilliant. Now, well done. Thank you.